Good morning, everyone. So I hope you have gone through, the coordinate geometry part in the very first exercise. So today we are going to discuss a new topic that is related to if two coordinate points in a three-dimensional geometry are, divided in a particular points with a specific ratio. Let me tell you in a simple way. I think you have seen in class, 10, we could see, if you have remembered this particular concept, if I take this is P, x1, y1, Q, x2, y2, R, x, y. This two particular coordinate points is divided by ratio m1 is to m2. You might have seen this is nothing but the section formula that we had in class 10. Section formula used in class 10, for finding the coordinates which are divided by particular ratio, m is to 1. Okay. Similarly, here also in this particular topic, we are going to discuss what happens when the two coordinate points in three-dimensional geometry are, specified or divided in the form of particular ratio. We will see. So here, in this part, the coordinates of points, let's say, the coordinates of points R that divides the line segment joining the points P and Q. Internally in the ratio is m is to n. Here, two new words you are going to discuss. One is, divides internally, and one is divide externally. Okay? One is divide internally and one is divide externally. That means the line segment is either divided internally or that's between. When it talks about internally, let's say it is inside. Or externally means some external points will come up. It can come with some external point as well. So now, when it talks about internally, let's say R be any other points which is dividing a line segment P and Q. R, this is P and Q, and this is ratio is m and n. When you have the word internally, then we have m x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n. This is the first coordinate points for R. This is the second coordinate point m y2 plus n y1 m plus n. Exactly similar to the section formula that we have it. Since here we have three-dimensional, m z2 plus n z1 m plus n. Clear? If it is divided internally. Now what if it divides externally? That means it can have some external point as well. Then m x2, only the difference is minus sign will come on the numerator and the denominator. Minus n x1 m minus n, m y2 minus n y1 m minus n, m z2 minus n z1 m minus n. That's it. Internally, externally. Now if you see in exercise 12.3 question number 1, find the coordinates which divides the line segment joining the points this and this in the ratio number 1, 2 is to 3 internally and 2 is to 3 externally. I am considering that R, x, y, z be the points. Clear? Now, x is nothing but what? It will be m x2. This is for number 1 we are doing m x1 m plus n. What is m? M is 2, x2. If I take this is x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, this is 1 plus 3, x1, x2 is there, x1 is minus 2, and this is 2 plus 3. How much we got? 2 minus 6 by 5 is minus 4 by 5. This is what we got. This is nothing but this is minus 4 by 5. Clear? Why I am taking m y2 plus n y1 m plus n. What I will put? M is 2 y2 minus 4 plus n is 3, y1 3, 2 plus 3 equal to, this is minus 8 plus 9 by 5, this is 1 by 5. Simple parts. Z, m z2 plus n z1, m plus n equal to 2 z2 6 plus n is 3, z1 is 5, 2 plus 3 equal to how much? 6 to 12, 5 into 3 15, 12 plus 15 by 5. This is nothing but 12 plus 15 is 27 divided by 5. Very simple concept here we have. So similarly, if I need to do it for externally, what I will do, let the points be R, we will use the minus concept here. Only in between the, mx2 minus nx1, m minus n. Directly we'll put, we will get the answer. I hope you have understood the particular concept here. Any doubt, please let me know. Okay, the PDF will be provided. You can go through it and complete this particular part. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.